Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm the owner of Green Space, and we offer the easiest, simplest way to insulate and transform your conservatory. So simple, in fact, I'm going to pass you over to my son Joe to tell you all about it.
Hi, we make replacement insulated panels that are light, insulated and made to measure. They are made from a really light aluminium and have loads of insulation. This means they make your conservatory warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer and quieter in bad weather. Because our panels are specially made to fit your roof, we can do it in less than a day. So we take these bits off. And then we take your polycarbonate or glass panels out. Like that. And then we slide in our new aluminium insulated panels. Slide in just like that. And then we put these bits back on. So I told you it was simple. So in less than a day, we can make your conservatory into a room you can use all year round for cool stuff like building Lego, instead of boring stuff like drying clothes. Dad says they come with a 10-year guarantee, and we have over 1,000 reviews on checkertrade.com. Oh, and they come in any colour you like green. If you want to know more, visit our website or give us a call. See you soon. Bye.